Hi, Mike from Albright Pressure Washing and More. A customer asked if we could clean up this camper. The back of it has oxidization built up from being out in the elements. Before we get into the process though, if you can please take a moment to like or subscribe so we can keep making content like this just for you. So to start off, I applied a 1 to 4 part mix of Cleansol BC, a brushless oxidization alkaline remover made by EcoChem. I let it sit for a few minutes to break up the oxidization and then gently wash it away with a pressure washer. As you can see, I was able to remove most of the oxidization and improve the appearance of this camper. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.